At school versus in school. What's the difference? Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. I'm your teacher, Josh. Hey, Josh, do we say I'm at school, I'm at the school, I'm in school, or I'm in the school? Which one is right? Actually, you can say all of them. It just depends on the situation. Let me explain. Let's start with at school. Now, at school means be there, be at school, doing school things. And this is the key right here. You are doing school things at school. Here's an example. My kids are at school, so the house is quiet. So they are there, they are at school, they are taking classes. So, when we use at school, we focus on the activity happening there. Not the building, not the location, but you are doing something related to school work at school. Here's one more example. Hello, I'm at school, so I can't talk right now. I'm at school, so I can't talk right now. Here, it means I'm there, I'm at school, but I'm busy with school, so I cannot talk right now. Now, at school can be used for students, teachers, and staff. All of those are okay, there's no problem, so it's not only for students. But let's start with students. My son is usually at school from 8 to 3. So my son is a student, so he is at school doing school things from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. Mary is still at school correcting homework. In this case, Mary is a teacher. She can be at school because she's also doing school things. She is correcting homework. The principal is never at school on Fridays. The principal is a staff member, but still, you can use at school because the principal does school work. So one more time, with at school, we focus on the activity happening there. Josh, what if we add the? At the school means a specific location, the school. For example, I'm at the school to pick up my daughter. In this case, it's very clear. I am at that building, the school building, but I'm not studying. I'm there to pick up my daughter. We focus on the location. We don't focus on the activity happening there. So when you say I'm at the school, you could be visiting, you could be outside the school building, you could be there to pick up your daughter, just like in the example, but you're not there to study. So when you say at the school, you are focusing on the location. Here's another example. There was an accident at the school today. There was an accident. It happened at that specific place, at the school today. Not at the store, not at the restaurant, at the school. Here's a quick recap. So if a student or a teacher is speaking, they would say, I'm at school right now. It's very natural. They wouldn't say, I'm at the school right now, because it sounds like a visitor is talking. On the other hand, if a parent or visitor is speaking, then they would say, I'm at the school right now. I'm there to pick up my child. I'm attending a meeting. I'm there for a sporting event, and so on. Let's move on to in school. In school means the period of your life when you are a student. Remember this, it's important. It has nothing to do with your physical location. In school is a period of your life. He's still in school, so he doesn't have a job yet. He's still in school. He's still a student. He's still in that period of his life where he goes to school every day and he studies. He's still in school. So when you say in school, you are focusing on the educational stage. You're not focusing on the physical location. Here's another example. Is your son still in school, or has he graduated? Is your son still a student? That's what it means. Many teenagers are in school until they are 18. So many teenagers are students until they are 18 years old. Josh, what if we add the? Great question. In the school means in the building. You have entered the building, you are inside the school. For example, the schoolyard is empty. The students are in the school. So they are not outside, they are inside the school. So when you use in the school, you focus on being inside the building, not outside. Nobody is allowed in the school after 10 p.m. You are not allowed inside the building after 10 p.m. The kids spend the whole day in the school because of the storm. They spent the whole day inside the building, inside the school building, because there was a terrible storm outside. Here's a quick recap. So if you're talking about someone's student status, you can say as an example, I'm in school, but I have a part-time job. I am a student, but I have a part-time job. I studied French when I was in school. I studied French when I was a student. Now, if you're talking about the physical location, you can say the students are in the school. In the school means inside the building. There are cameras in the school. There are CCTV cameras inside the building itself. Here's the full summary. It's going to be super useful. Pay attention to this. I'm at school. I'm there studying or working if you're a staff member. I'm at the school. I am there. It is my location, but I'm probably just visiting. I'm not studying. I'm in school. I'm a student now. I'm in the school, I am inside the building. Take a screenshot of this so you don't make mistakes with these two prepositions ever again. It's quiz time. Test yourself. Here's a sentence, and you have to decide, is it at school, at the school, or in the school? Jess is preparing for her final exams. What is your answer? Jess is at school preparing for her final exams. She is doing school stuff. So you have to use at school. Question 2. I'm so I still depend on my parents financially. Oh, her mother and father gave her a lot of cash because she's just a student. I'm in school, so I still depend on my parents financially. Question 3. I'm for a job interview this morning. What is the best answer? I'm at the school for a job interview this morning. I'm not a student. I'm not doing school stuff there. I'm a visitor and I'm applying for a job. Question 4. I'm and thinking about studying abroad next year. What would be the best answer? I'm in school and thinking about studying abroad next year. I'm a student and thinking about studying abroad. Question 5. I'm near the front office. This one is a little challenging. I'm in the school near the front office. I'm not outside. I am in the school. Question 6. I'm helping my classmates with a project. I am what? I'm at school helping my classmates with a project. This project is related to school, so we use at school. Question 7. I'm because there's a sports event today. It's not related to studying. I'm at the school because there's a sports event today. Question 8. I learned basic math when I was So think about it. Which one means when I was a student? When I was in school. Question 9. I'm not outside in the parking lot. I'm in the school, not outside in the parking lot. I'm inside the building, not outside. And finally, question 10. I can't answer the phone right now. I'm So that is something that you could text your friend, okay? I can't answer the phone right now. I'm At school, I'm doing schoolwork. I'm in class. I'm at school. Did you get 10? I sure hope so. If you need more practice, go to my website, right? EnglishSpeaking360.com. It's 100% free and scroll down for extra activities. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.